Hi guys, it's David from Augusta University, and I just want to tune into the channel and update you guys on how everything's been going for myself, the cryptocurrency market, and just everything overall in general. So, been focused on health and trying to maintain over the last few weeks, just trying to hit my fitness goals, go to the gym regularly. I could be doing better at diet, but a mixture of fasting and just a weight training regimen. So been feeling better, I've been feeling good, and also just trying my best as being a father. Yeah, just had to expand the vehicle a little bit to have an extra row, so new vehicle recently to support more kids, etc. Any dads out there, shout out to you guys. I know it's not easy. I know I have my struggles as well, but you know what? We just keep on staying strong, keep on moving on. Now back to crypto, what's been going on with Hex, Pulsechain, etc. For Hex, I've been looking at the chart, and basically, you know what? We're up 4% today, which 4% positive is a big move right now because of the bear market and what's been going on recently with Hex and Pulsechain and everything. So when I looked at the kind of previous all-time high, we have to hit basically a 60x, okay? A 60x from here to get back to all-time high. So that's pretty insane. Can it be done? Yes, it can definitely be done. Now also keep in mind that we got duplicates on Pulsechain, and Pulsechain is supposed to be the new Hex. So I really don't know what is going to happen for global adoption of Pulsechain. I know that we are very successful on Pulsechain. Things are still kind of ironing out, but we are very successful on Pulsechain so far. There is more and more tokens dropping every day on Pulsechain and more resources being used, but we haven't seen Richard Hart on a stream in forever, and I don't think we will until maybe the bull run. So just keep your momentum going for yourself, as in try not to stress out, try not to freak out. Just know that things that you find valuable long term is what really is going to decide how we're going to reach success in the future with our investments. So Hex has dropped 90% again and again and again, and this time yet again we did it. So basically we need a 60x to get back to all-time highs again. I believe that it is possible because Ethereum Hex is what I'm talking about right now. Ethereum Hex or eHex, I think is still valuable on Ethereum. So eHex on Ethereum, we don't really know if that's gonna be considered as valuable as the PHEX. I think it still will have value as Ethereum fees will lower again. But also a lot of the, hexagons are kind of migrating to Pulsechain as the main chain. And we might see some more upwards momentum on Pulsechain. So Hart's Law, Richard Hart says that Hart's Law is basically gonna have eHex and PHEX kind of equaling out eventually in time. I really don't know what's gonna happen, guys. I am hopeful that we're successful with both chains because eHex is the OG, but why build Pulsechain if we're not gonna utilize it? So I just don't know at this point. What I do know is, what we should be focusing on is dollar cost averaging in on things that we believe are very, very valuable. So if you believe in Pulsechain and Richard Hart's ecosystem, then you should be doubling down and dollar cost averaging in and grinding and scraping and clawing your way to buy on the cheap as of right now for Pulsechain. If you believe that PulseX is going to be huge for liquidity pairs and swapping out tokens on Pulsechain, then maybe you should get a little bit more Pulsechain and Hex as well. If you believe in staking and delayed gratification on both chains, then you might want to consider getting more Hex. I know I am trying to gear up so that I can buy more liquid Hex as well, but it's just been a little bit of a battle in real life. I say real life, not crypto life, but real life, because everyone has bills to pay, and you know, we have our challenges as well. So I'm doing what I can. I am, as of right now, getting back to my studying, and I'm looking to move forward in real estate. So I'm doing a little bit of reading right now, studying, and I just want to give you guys a quick video and update on what's going on in my life. But I hope everyone is doing well. I know the bear market has been extremely brutal. I even found myself lost a little bit in some of these meme coins and things like that, and I noticed that none of them really last. They last basically, especially these pre-sales, they last basically a day or two and then they dump. So you want to get into things that are long-term, and then they are currently low cost right now, high value, and I believe that is Hex. I believe that's PulseX. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what I'm looking to do. Keep grinding, keep moving, and a dollar cost averaging into things that I believe in: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Hex, Pulsechain, PulseX, etc. So hopefully you guys are doing well. I just want to tune in. Tell me what your strategy is on Hex and Pulsechain. Do you think we can get back to the glorified all-time highs again? Are we gonna get it on both chains? Tell me what your strategy is. I'm just here to say stay positive. I think we can 60x and then 100x and 1000x eventually. We just need a bull run. Maybe a year, maybe 2 years, maybe 3 years, I don't know. But I think it will happen eventually. So stay positive, guys. Until next time, stay bullish. This is David, and I'll see you guys in the next video.